Hi, I'm Matt Nyer. I'm a senior applications engineer with Makino, and today we're going to talk about user macro lists. So if we want to create our own user variable list, what we're going to do is we're going to hit our top right arrow here. Okay, we're going to navigate to the macro variable page here. You're going to see we have a bunch of tabs here. We hit our user tab, it's blank, but if we know values that we would want to track or on our list, we can enter that number and we hit input into the number, and you can see it starting to bring values over with it, okay? If we wanted to put a memo on those as well, test, we'll do a test there, we'll do a test 2, test 3, test 4, right? So now we've actually got a memo where we could say this is a size, this variable points to this. We've got values and we've got numbers. We can actually highlight these numbers and use these list operations. We can move up, down if we want to change an order, if we want to delete or add a row in between to add more variables. So the one nice thing is here, not only do you have a user list that you can back up and bring in, but if we go to our normal memory running area, you'll notice we usually have a macro variable list down here, or a window where our macro variables are. If we hit our user list, now those ones we defined are right there in front of us. For those of you who have a handful of macro variables that you want to track or see while running a program or testing things, this is a nice way for you to get that out in front of you while you're running the machine or have a personalized list. So it makes it really nice to have all the information you need if you're using those macro variables.